Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another task of 100 days of AWS series by KodeKloud engineer. In today's task, we need to take a snapshot of RDS instance and then restore that snapshot. So RDS snapshots are used to create a backup of a database instance. These snapshots store the data and configuration of the database so that it can be restored later if needed. So these snapshots are used for backup purposes. So let's solve this task. Search for RDS and run RDS. Database instances. So we need to take a snapshot of this Xfusion RDS instance. Select this. Actions. So we need to wait until it is fully available. Now our DB instance is available. We need to restore this. We need to take a snapshot for this. And the name of snapshot will be Xfusion snapshot. We need to wait until it is fully completed. Then we will be able to restore our database from this snapshot. Now this snapshot is available. Select this snapshot, actions, and then we need to restore this snapshot. Click on restore. Database engine will be MySQL. Single availability zone deployment. Xfusion snapshot restore. So we need to use burstable classes, and from this we need to choose db.t3.micro, which is already selected, and yeah, the rest of the configuration will remain same. Click on restore database. Now it is creating our new instance. We'll have to wait until it is fully available. Now both our Xfusion RDS instance and its restore snapshot is available. Let's verify our task. Yes,